Welcome back to Marissa.
Okay, welcome back to my channel, y'all. It's Trinity Lexus. We're gonna do a mukbang Q&A type of video. And yeah, we got seafood and special guests.
Follow me on Instagram. Yeah, Marissa is on TV. Okay.
So the first question is, what's your mental state?
You go first. Just tell me something.
My mental state, I don't know. I'm cool, like, I don't know.
I'm good. Like, I'm gonna rate it. I'm giving it a cool 6.
Yeah, I'm gonna give my mental state a cool like 8. I'm cool.
Yeah.
I always put God first.
It says, what was your last relationship like? She can go first. Mine was horrible. It wasn't horrible, but like, it had its moments, but I definitely wouldn't go back and do it again.
Is my turn?
Yeah.
Okay.
What was that?
Right. Don't like 10th grade year.
Y'all, we are currently.
Don't say that. Don't say nothing. Don't say nothing. How was it?
How would you rate it?
I rated it good. I rated
Yeah,
like
how was
a
it?
7 and 8. Next question. What's your relationship status?
I'm currently talking to somebody.
That's not Pete.
It was not Pete. What you doing?
Huh?
What you doing?
I'm chilling. Now I'm trolling.
She definitely is.
It ain't y'all business.
Yeah.
Next question. Somebody said me or Chipotle. Chipotle.
I don't even know who you is, but Chipotle.
What you mean? I love Chipotle. Somebody said your favorite thing about high school so far.
The new bonds I made with people. And the football games, the basketball games, but definitely the new bonds. The relationships I form with people. Cause it kind of opened me out my shell. So yeah.
My favorite thing about high school, I really don't know. Like, high school is cool.
It's kind of overrated.
It really is. Like, I wish I was still like little in elementary. Like, if I could start over, I would. It's cool though. It's cool. Next question.
I definitely recommend y'all don't. If she got younger views, she probably don't, but don't slack off on your 9th grade year.
Yeah.
Cause that's your most important year. But other than that, it's really overrated, but it's pretty cool.
And don't be messing with upperclassmen.
Yeah.
Don't. Cause you're just gonna make a joke of yourself. Focus on school. Don't worry about no girls, no boys, none of that. It's pointless. Don't do it. Next question. How do you feel about your generation? You go first.
For the dirt.
Our
Our generation is supposed to be the ones up next, and right now we're not looking like that, bro.
No. We definitely up next. Just not everybody.
Yeah, like it's so like it's cool, but I don't know, it's different.
I'm gonna be real, and I'm probably gonna step on a lot of toes with this one, but I'm just being real. The girls in the generation have no standards, have no morals
At all.
The boys don't either.
The boys act like females.
And then the girls act like they want to be niggas, but like, it's just so weird.
It's messed up.
Confusing. Generation is weird. 0 out of 10, don't recommend it.
Definitely.
How you feel, Maya?
But I don't mess with people, so
She's anti. She's club anti.
Hey.
everybody is dumb.
And
Or these.
Yeah, let's not get started on how Atlanta like.
wannabe drug dealers, wannabe gang dealers, wannabe shooters. Maybe you're not that. If you're born in Stone Mountain, please sit down. Like,
Now let's not get started on the brunette ones.
maybe you're not. You know somebody come up to you, they'll take
I never
your car,
understood that. Like,
and you won't do nothing. Like, I don't understand why you try to act like something you're not.
Like, you was born in the suburbs. Why not? Like, if I was born in the suburbs, I would be okay with that. Like, you know, I'm having, like, I'm okay with that.
You okay
But
with
we want to
what
be
you
good. My lip burn.
Born in the what? Born in the what?
suburbs?
Oh,
No.
so
But
I don't know.
sorry, y'all, it's kind of hot.
Let's talk about like how I'm not explaining. Like, how do you feel about girls who post their body? Like, just like that's it. Like, strictly their body. Cause don't get me wrong, it ain't nothing wrong. Cause okay, you just go first. Go first. Cause it's
nothing wrong with it. But it's like
it's not bashing nobody that show your body if you just asking a question. It's like so don't get your panties in the bunch.
It's like for what? And then you go out places, right? All right, check me out. So you post your body on social media, okay, cool. But when you go out to Walmart or school and people harassing you, wonder why. You question why they follow you, why they doing it. But you look what you post.
That's true, but
your image
regardless, weirdos and weird men is gonna do that regardless.
Regardless, it's like posting on social media, your body don't help it, like, and then like
people gonna look at you like, okay.
Your name can get slandered like, oh, she green, like she posts her body, like stay around from her, like I don't understand why you post your body, like you can post it here and there, but like that's your constant, viewpoint. I don't really get that. I don't agree with it.
Yeah, I don't either. Don't get me wrong. Like I'm not saying like I post baby suit pics or whatever. Yeah. But continuously doing that, no. And a lot of people, like a lot of females that do it, they be like, oh, they saying that because they're insecure. Never.
Don't do that.
Never, baby. I love my body.
I love it.
Like 100%. But it's just doing all that for what? That's giving me the wrong attention. That's putting me out there in a way that I don't want to be put out there.
Right.
At the end of the day, I know what I got going, so it's like, why would I want that image of me out there? Like, regardless, boys are gonna see you sexually anyways, but like when you have an image like that, it's like that's all that's for you. Don't get me wrong, dudes is gonna throw themselves at you if you sexualize yourself, but they never gonna want you as a wife. They just gonna see you as a hoe. Excuse my language. Guarding to it, but that's just all they gonna see you as. So if you really want to, I don't know, it's just a mindset thing. If you want to be like that and want that type of attention and you want to just be looked at that way, then do it.
But me?
No, man. That ain't gonna do it.
Age range for dating, like a freshman date, like no name, but this one girl I know, I was like, y'all only 15 years old. Y'all already went out of town together, like. So,
that's another thing. Like, that's up to you. I ain't judging, but it should only be like 2, maybe 3 years. But then again, you gotta think about it. Age don't mean nothing. It's about your mindset. Like, I know 30-year-olds mindset on still like a little kid. Like, it don't mean nothing. But legally, it matters. Yeah. Cause 9 times out of 10, your mama and your daddy is 10 years apart. That's pedophilia. Like, let's be for real. Let's talk about double standards. Like,
bro, what?
I got another question after that.
I was just talking about that yesterday because it was a party and
why you doing all that?
I can't breathe. Anyways, it was a party and like my mom didn't let me go. And I was just thinking like if I was a boy, I would have been able to go no heartbeat, no question, no hesitation, nothing. Like, man,
No, stop sniffing there.
I just feel like parents be treating their sons different than their female daughters because.
And it's understandable, but to an extent.
To an extent, like, come on. Anyway. I thought we also been treated the same.
Whole time. Whoa. Whole time. While you let your son go do this, and that, he probably messing with the mama friend daughter. Why you just trust your little lovely son so much?
Right.
Like, but I can't go out.
I really feel like it's like I feel like it's because like girls can get pregnant, but your son get
somebody get pregnant. Like your son can have HIV from a boy.
Well, I gotta get a boy. I'm dead.
That's what they get. Okay.
Anyways. But yeah, like.
That question was, how do you feel about people who's popular pretty? Like known pretty, like girls that they say they pretty, but they really not. They just known.
That's on you. Maybe if you think you the baddest, you got everybody top of your head.
Then you that
queen. I'm nobody to tell you nothing. But at the end of the day, when you go down, when you go home, and lay down, you know you're not the baddest. No, not in no shade, no teeth, but you know you got. You
No
know,
shade, no tea.
you know you got insecurities that they don't see. So
That's true. That's true. Cause they always say the prettiest girls be the most insecure.
they really do, and it's like I hate people who overhype a girl and call her pretty. Like, in one girl in my school,
I mean, don't.
she they like, oh, she the prettiest ninth grader, but she's not though. I see prettier. Not knocking her down because everybody is beautiful. She's pretty, but don't give her that much, because then when you try to talk to her or approach her, she's gonna think she up here because y'all have already hyped her head telling her she's the prettiest ninth grader when that's
I know
not
somebody
true.
like that.
Like,
I mean,
people,
okay.
you gotta like treat everybody the same. Like, don't overhype somebody and have them thinking it's that girl all the time. Like, that girl probably walk around school thinking that she the finest ninth grader in there and she not. But
Look at this. I feel like it's up to you for real. Like, it's not my place to tell you that you don't look good. That's just how you see yourself. There's probably people that think I don't look good.
yeah,
But regardless, I know it looks good.
right. If you
Like,
know,
no cocky, just not some cocky. I know I look good, so why think I don't?
I think that's a mailman or something.
maybe that ain't no man.
That ain't the mailman, baby.
They don't
That's
know.
the Amazon beautiful.
Y'all need to have business. That's why I tell y'all.
I really feel like it's what it is. Regardless, it's always gonna be people that has clout at any point in life. Like, if you famous, you gonna have clout. If you rich, you gonna have clout. If you know, you gonna have clout. If whatever it is, you're just gonna have clout because of your status in life.
Mhm.
And if they don't look good, then they don't look good. But you ain't got nothing to do with that. 'Cause at the end of the day, yeah, you got clout, but we know you ugly.
Right. You know.
Yeah,
you
yeah, you got clout, but we know you green. It's okay.
what?
Like, it's really don't. It's nothing to it. At the end of the day.
Right.
Next question. Do you hold grudges? How do you feel about people that done hurt you or something? Like, do you let it go? Do you forgive? What do you do?
So it really all depends, honestly, because I feel like everybody should deserve to be forgiven. Like, it might take time, but everybody deserves that forgiveness again. Especially like if you live by God or whatever. He say if you don't forgive, then you
Don't say God or whatever.
I'm sorry, God and your people, because folks live by different stuff.
Girl, we don't care about that. Put some respect on his name.
Yeah, sorry, but yeah. So yeah, but I feel like everybody should be forgiven. But people who have hurt me in the past, I definitely have hold like some animosity towards them, but never no grudge. Like, I always forgive. I'm gonna never forget, but I'm gonna always forgive you. Like, not even on no stuff like that, because people can take that as advantage and think, oh yeah, she gonna always forgive me, so she gonna always come back. It ain't even like that. I'm gonna forgive you, but I'm never gonna forget what you did.
Right. Like, I'm just gonna separate myself from you.
Right.
You just not gonna have the same access to me as you did before.
There
I'm
we
gonna
go.
let you go. Just, you know what I mean? Like, keep it cordial. Like, whatever mindset or season of life you was in to where you had to hurt me, cool. We just can't be locked in no more. Like, it's gotta go.
If you have a child, would you allow them to be gay?
I plead the fifth. Next question.
Mm-mm.
Plead the fifth.
I don't. Because the other people are already trying to walk around with guns and stuff.
Ugh.
Rip me out the plastic.
I would not brand new.
Anywho.
I feel like if you was a good parent, you wouldn't even let your child have to be in that predicament.
Sorry.
I feel like that's the problem. I don't ever think that the problem is a child. I think it's always a parent. Because if you had your child when you was financially stable, when you was in the right place in life, your child would be good. Or people want to just go around popping their legs open and putting semen in people they see. Then that's when you get children in bad predicaments. I feel like you shouldn't have kids until you're financially stable and you're married. But that it will never happen because of where we live in. But that's the way it should be. So,
I definitely agree.
I have no opinion on that because if that's what they gotta do, that's what they gotta do. My child might be, but I'm just saying.
Yeah. Like, y'all, in my school, we had like so many like shootings and stuff, like lockdowns. It was so crazy. Like, why is your child able to have this much access to a weapon and they can come into school and shoot somebody? Like, there's just so much stuff. It's quite crazy, but like she said, people shouldn't have kids until they're financially stable and stuff like that.
And able to give your child the best life they can have as a child.
Without having to worry or ask people for help Unless stuff do, you know, stuff do happen.
Now some people, yeah, stuff do happen. Some people just be struggling, but you shouldn't bring a child into this world if you're not able to take care of yourself.
Right.
And another human being. But, you know, life is what it is.
You know, I see this thing on Instagram, this lady, she was eating her food, and this man, like, he was arguing with her.
Oh, and her son
Son shot him? Yeah, what you think about that?
Hey, he had to do that.
I thought he wasn't in the wrong, because, like, why are you, first of all, beating that lady headed like that?
Look, I wish somebody would. I wish a grown, slinky, nasty looking man that looked like he be standing at the gas station put his hands on my mama.
Come get your food.
Tough.
And then, why the lady was like, his girlfriend or whatever was egging him on. He told you to stop talking. Like, girl, maybe that's what you do. That's not what I'm gonna do. That's not my husband. That's not nothing to me.
She probably get beat on.
Probably got to. No more. He did, but sorry. I'm sorry. But like, no, like he had to do what he had to do. So I don't feel like he's wrong. I would do the same thing.
I don't know about killing him. I didn't kill him.
I wouldn't have killed him, but like, self defense, baby.
Okay, so who's your top 3 rappers?
My baby, probably. Little baby. And then girl. Yeah, they're off my lady, y'all. She's not from here.
My top 3 would be first YB, of course. Of course. YB better. YB's better. So it'll be first YB.
He's always a hustler.
But he got more money than me.
Anyways.
YB first. 2, it'll probably be like Rod Wave. I love Rod Wave.
That's my man.
3. I like Kevin Gates. So
You love the baby?
no, I don't listen to Lil Baby.
What? Yeah, she not.
Like, I'll never just be like, oh, let me
But tell us, little baby.
No, no.
Right.
I would definitely say Kentrell Gaudi though.
The government is crazy.
Anyways, who is your favorite ex?
Oh, baby, that's federal. Oh.
Lil P Stain?
You peed on yourself?
We ain't judging the girl.
Did you?
Oh, don't give attitude, Pissy.
Anyways, sorry about that. Favorite.
Baby. Oh!
Yeah.
And didn't he say, when somebody asked him if he had a girl, he said no?
Why are you talking supposed to be?
I'm
Are we talking? Anyways, no, I don't got no girl. I talked to somebody with no. My favorite ex is this boy. I was talking to him since 5th grade. Yeah, he just also have a place in my heart. Yeah, who's your favorite girl?
I don't have exes.
She not, but that one dude who sent you an email. No, let me stop playing.
Next question.
Like I said,
No.
is it a movie?
Next question.
When was your first kiss?
My man, it's a big one.
But I don't even know.
No, bro. By 4th grade.
Hey, cut it up.
What is it even be? Right?
No, I'm like, that's so serious.
I can't remember.
I think that's the same day. You remember Miss
My dad.
that 4th grade teacher? She come on and told her, boy, when I got home,
Got that butt torn up.
man, I went in the look. I put on like 5 pair of pants.
That don't even be healthy. Like, I couldn't
I put on 5 pair of pants and I hid in the bathroom. As soon as I heard that front door, mama said, bring you out the bathroom. She's like, don't hide now. Well, she told me come in her room, take the pants off.
That's 5 pairs of pants. Anyway.
I would never do my child like that.
Yeah.
I'm a discipline. I ain't gonna beat him like my mama beat me.
Okay, when was your last kiss? And how long was it? How long was it?
January, my bad, January 2022. It was like half a year.
Mine was November 2021. It was like basically.
Oh, for real? What's his name?
No names, but anyway, she wanna play games. She knows what I'm talking about. But yeah, it was about like a year and some change.
Who's the girl you don't like?
But I like. I like her name is. not like her. She done gave this girl the cab.
I do not promote none of this.
Let's stop playing with. That's one girl I do not like. I do not like her because she's very weird. Yeah, I just really don't like her. I don't like other people, but that's like the main person on my hit list. I don't like her. I don't like her. I'm from Steve.
Who I don't like?
I'm gonna get at it. Let me stop playing.
I don't got beef with nobody. I stay out the way, but
But I don't beef with nobody, but I don't like her.
that ain't none of my business. I'm cool with her. They ain't got nothing to do with me. Somebody I don't like.
She don't like God. She don't like people. She just want a friend. Cause she don't like kids. She don't like drama, none of that. But me, I don't care if I don't like them. I don't like some.
It's not even that.
My friend, she don't like all that other stuff. But me, on the other hand, I don't like it either. But one thing about it, people for show, we done already had our beef. So like, what she gonna do, you know? Oh, and I don't like Jacoby Big Humpty Dumpty self. Big monkey. Should have kept that hair in.
Stop. No, baby. It's nobody that I don't like. I just be chilling. I don't know.
And I'll go with that.
So last question is, who do you like?
Maya.
Okay, so yeah.
I like how you should. I have to put it on.
Are you?
This is what I like.
Describe him like, was he an athlete? Like,
He played football.
describe his skinny.
He played football. He in between. He not big boy, but like he medium. He ain't big. He ain't small. He played football. He got skin. Low grade. He got braces like me.
He brown skin.
He dark skin.
Oh, baby. What you talking about?
Anyway, like that.
What?
Describe the person that you like.
I like Jesus.
Me too.
I love God.
You don't love God? What's wrong with you?
Okay.
So I thought we thought
No, so who do I like?
she's gonna sit here and cap you guys down.
I just be chilling for real.
That's her favorite thing to say.
I be chilling. I don't be doing. I don't like. I mean, whoa. Let me not say I don't like nobody. I like basketball players.
Oh, like that. Oh, I like dark skins with dreads. You know the one I'm messing
Your
with now.
hair's good the best.
Yeah. I have a thing
Oh
for
my
dark
god,
skins.
it looks like a storm outside. Anyways, next question.
Who is the biggest coworker? Top 3. All right.
Top 3? Let's get to it.
First you have. Let me stop.
First you have.
Boom.
Then you got.
Boom.
Then you got.
Boom.
Yo.
1, 2, 3.
That's
a couple.
triple homicide. How that song go? Get out of here. We're not gonna talk about that. Everybody
Cool.
Everybody will go to Stevenson, know who it is. Everybody go to my school,
No, who it is.
So
No, you know. Don't you don't.
you know. But last question is gonna be, how do you feel? Okay,
Boom. Sorry.
do you think asking someone to be your girlfriend?
A boyfriend matter?
Yeah, like, how do you
Definitely
feel
does.
about that?
Alright, so I feel like that definitely does matter because if you
I should be petty. How do you feel about somebody commenting hard eyes? Alright.
we go,
I'm trolling.
But the little reference thing, I feel like you need to ask me because if you don't put your foot down and let me know what you want me, I'm gonna think I'm a free agent. I can do whatever I want to do. I feel like you gotta ask.
But what if
me.
it's like a situationship that y'all got going?
Okay.
Y'all know what's up, but he just didn't actually be his girlfriend.
They're like, it's like, okay, you get those two. Y'all know what's up with each other. But it's still like, I still feel like you need to ask.
Nah, let me put you down. Let me put you down for real.
Alright, put it down to me, put it down.
Dudes be knowing what they doing. They not gonna actually be their girlfriend, but they gon' act like y'all in a relationship because they want you, but they still want the privilege. Exactly, they want the privilege of still being single, but still having you. So they ain't trying to make it official. Cause look, you can get mad and be like, how you doing this, da da da. He could be like,
But she not my girlfriend, right?
Exactly. That's how they be
They
doing
love
it.
that.
That's what
They love to do that.
That's what I'm saying.
Cause they'll call you girlfriend, like,
They be like, hey,
all of
Steve.
this.
Okay.
As soon as you hit them with the, oh, I ain't even coming. I mean, you're not even in a relationship anyway. So or whatever.
Yeah.
You don't ask me, I'm single.
Okay, so last thing, B, what's your ideal person?
person who got they stuff together, like nobody they got stuff going for them, they're not no little low down, like they come type of nigga.
Bro,
I'm sorry, okay.
my ideal person would be probably like top tier, like top, like number one in the pyramid. He has to believe in God. Like, if it ain't no connection to God, then it ain't no connection with me. Because if you can't get to God, how you gonna get to me? That's how I think. And have to be an athlete. I don't do drug dealers. I don't do dope dealers. Sell the weed. The ones that be like mobile, don't do it. Let me do a part time again. It's for me. Well, it went on like I said. Bye guys. I'll be later. Yeah.